sober, I couldn't believe. But now I'm so high, and now that it's over, I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe. But now I'm so high. 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 Girl, what's your problem? 'Cause I know it's hard sometimes. Baby, just give it some time. Oh, honey, now, girl, we can solve them. If you just give me some time, I can open up your mind. If you let it shine, you can free your mind. 'Cause I know, and now that it's over, I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high. And now that it's over, I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high. 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 Girl, if it's done right, well, you know it's got to be something wonderful to me. Oh, honey, now, girl, give it one night. If you just give it a chance, loving you is not my plan. 'Cause I know one day you'll see all the things that we can be. Oh, no, no, no. And now that it's over, I'll never be sober. I wanna be the only one. Oh, now I'm so high. And now that it's over, I'll never be sober. But now I'm so
Yeah.
And now that it's over, I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high. 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 Oh, now I'm so
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't ever lie. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's alright. Inside all white, like something you ride a sled down. I just want that head. My brilliant, I'm mad. Her brilliant, her man, no. Everybody got the same swag, no. All the way that I check, no. Stacking my bands all the way to the top, all the way to my back falling, no. Every time that you leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like, come on over. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me, I call it that casino. She said I'm insane, I might blow my brain out.
project about the doorbell also will solve the problems for blind people. For an example, a blind people who stays alone without his guide, well, for example, his guide is gone for a vacation or whatever, so he's all alone and he orders some of things through online shopping. So with this doorbell, it will help him by scanning. The doorbell will scan the person who sends the delivery. For example, the doorbell has a camera and sensor. You scan the logo of the company. For example, Post Laju, Shoppe, TNT, and many more. So it would help the blind people by knowing who's in front of his door without being scammed by unwanted guests. That's all. Continue for the next video.